Well, good morning everybody, and I got a project to do. As some of you may have seen, I recently got back on a motorcycle. I'm on a Honda VTX 1300 with a proper trike kit on the back end. It's used, but I'm not a fan of new anyhow. And it looks like it's raked. Well, me being as tall as I am, one thing I noticed right off the bat, this windshield is a little short for me. And did some research and found that I can replace it via the manufacturer with one. The tallest they had is 2 inches taller than the one I currently have. So let's see how it fits. Alright, moment of truth. So here we are, and it is 2 inches taller. First thing I noticed, being that it's made in America, guess what? American tools. A standard Allen wrench and 7/16 fits it. Now it's time to decide if I'm going to keep this on. Yeah, I'm going to keep it on. Now some of you may be asking, since this whole windshield can come off via these clips right here on the side, why I didn't do that. Reason being, I didn't want to hold all this up and find out that I wouldn't fit back on the clips. So this might be a little bit of a harder way to do it, but I think in the long run I'm only going to do it one time. Alright, got all the hardware off the old one. Let's see what I can do about the new one. I opted to put one in the center, front cross beam first. I'll add the saddlebags to it later. This is temporary, just hold things together. Well, all the hardware's in. Now it's just time to snug it down and then test it. Tight's tight. Too tight's broken. Well, folks, that kind of wraps it up. Only one thing left to do. Put on some pants. Yeah, and take it for a ride.
I apologize for the mower in the background, but a quick look at how I wired this for my Honda VTX 1300C. I attached the relay there. I did not need to add any wire to the fusible going to my positive. Everything else has plenty of slack coming up along the frame. I ducked underneath here, came out right here under this bracket, zip tied. On top of this bracket, zip tied. Zip tied here is the breather hose that goes to the horn. The wires continue and the hose continue. The wires go behind these wires that go to the coil, the hose in front. There is an access hole in the back. These wires are where I connected the old horn into the circuit. Got the air hose here. The electrical, I sliced a piece of hose for aesthetics to hide the electrical and to give it some protection. The horn bolted fine off to the side, driver's side, or should I say left-hand side. And I will reassemble the bike. But how does it sound? Yeah, I think I got it.
Thank all of our viewers and subscribers, and look forward to giving you many more adventures.